Good morning. Today we're going to be going over how I prepare my coffee in the morning. This is a alternate method. And here I am using the Ninja blender that has an attachment that is good for breaking down the coffee bean. The coffee bean that I will be opening up and breaking down is Lavazza Crema e Aroma whole bean coffee that you can buy from Amazon.com or Walmart. It should retail anywhere from $13 to about $19. So we're just gonna get this open. And I'm using a 75-cent knife that I bought in a thrift store. That has served me well. And what I do is just put a little bit, about that much. And this has 3 blending settings, but it also has a pulse setting. So once we turn it on, we just have to hit the setting for the attachment, not the actual blender cup. Okay, that's about it. And we're using a Sakura French press. And I'll leave this in here until I finish warming up the oat milk from a company that I really enjoy. It's called Planet Oat, oatmeal creamer, but the company is called Planet Oat. And I take it right out of the refrigerator, so it's very cold. And what I like to do is place it right into the microwave for about 55 seconds. So let's get that going. I previously boiled some water so I can use in the French press to make our coffee this morning. But I don't like to put the boiling water inside of the French press. I think it changes the taste of the coffee and the overall enjoyment of the experience. So I'm letting the water cool off. Here I have it in this pot over here, small pot. And this is an electric range. I'm used to a gas range where you just could control the fire. I like to be able to see the flames just shooting up into the bottom of the pot. So I'm still getting used to an electric range. So that's done. And now we take the ground coffee, hit at the top so the ground coffee will not stay at the top. And we'll blend in the ground coffee. Put that back there. And if you never had a Ninja blender, it's 1100 watts of power, and it's professional grade. It's very strong. As you see, it can grind up coffee beans. And I'm putting the water right in there. And the difference between Lavazza coffee and, let's say, a coffee that you would buy in Aldi's or something like that is the aftertaste from the Aldi's coffee is just a lot different. So here I am stirring the ground coffee in the French press. After everything closed down, the prices went up, so If you want to buy one of these Sakura French presses, they used to be about $25. Now they're about $45 depending on where you find it. So have that blended in. And let's close it. Here's the top. Make sure it's secure. And you'll see the arrow. It'll tell you which side goes towards the front, meaning the part where you're going to pour from. And you let that sit for about 10 seconds. The ground coffee will blend in, but you'll see the grinds will come to the top. And what I like to do is then just slowly push down. And there's some resistance there, which makes me happy because it means that it was ground not too finely. It's a little more coarse, and the flavor should be richer. It should be stronger. And today I think I'm going to have, if I can find it, a little bit of cinnamon with my coffee, just for its medicinal properties and for its health benefits. If you get a chance, look up the health benefits of cinnamon. You'll find that it's good with just about any ailment that you may have. I will pour it into my favorite blue porcelain mug, which I bought from a thrift store also. And let's just stir it. And the reason I use a knife to stir and a knife to stir it in the French press and in this cup is just to be economical, not have as much dishes to do, enough, just so I won't have a lot of cleanup to do, and just so I can stay in one place while I'm making this video. And yeah, this mug I also bought from a thrift store for about $1.25, but I've had it for years. This is excellent. That has been coffee making, Sakura French press, Ninja blender and coffee grinder, and oatmeal, Planet Oat milk creamer, and last but not least, Lavazza coffee crema e aroma from Torino, Italia, since 1895. Thank you. Have a good day.